All right, welcome back. We are on level 5 of lesson 5, and we are looking at variables. So this says using a variable many times. This program has only one variable called pedal size, but it uses it 8 different times. This makes it quite easy to quickly change lots of changes. Or this makes it easy to quickly make lots of changes to how your picture is drawn. So do this. Update the code so the red petals touch each other. Change the number assigned to petal size until the red petals touch. Try to find the size that makes the most sense. Compare your answer with someone around you. All right, so let's see what happens when we run it so we just know what we're doing. We got a green background. We got 4 red ellipses and we're trying to make them touch. So we need to increase the petal size. Well, that's line 2 right here. So it says line 1, update the code so the red petals touch each other. That's our goal. Line 2, variable petal size gets 50. Line 4, setup. So no stroke, background for a screen. That takes care of all of this right here. Line 8 says petals. Line 9, fill red. Line 10 through 13 gives us the specifics on each of our petals. So it says ellipse, 150, 200, petal size, petal size. Each of this, the width, no, I'm sorry. Each of this is the X grid location, the Y grid location, and then the width and then the height. All right, and then the flower center, so fill black, ellipse 200, 250, 50. But you know what? Just because I can, I want to make that a yellow center because I can. So we're going to reset. We're going to run it. There we go. All right. So now my job is to increase this variable size until the petals touch. We're going to try 60, reset, run. All right. It's getting closer. We're going to try 70, reset, run. All right. Oh, so close. Should we try 80 or 75? I feel like we should try 75. So let's give that a try. All right, that seemed to do the trick. So now all the petals are touching. We have what it's asked us to do. So good job, pat on the back. We're going to click on the orange finish button and I will see you on level 6. Here we go.